What's up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Ta-da-da-da-da. I'm turning around, spinning around. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple piston jar. Then all you need is some redstone dust, redstone repeater, a redstone pressure plate, and redstone torch, and sticky piston with glass pane and any blocks of your choice. So all it's gonna do is just dig 2 straight down, put some redstone here, and then dig 2 right here, and another here, then put some redstone dust, and cover it with the block of your choice, and put the pressure plate on the top of it. When you step on it, the redstone dust will work. See? So then dig 1 here, dig 2 here, put a redstone torch here, over there, dig 1 here, dig 2 here, just the same at the other side. So then dig 2 straight in here, put a redstone, then put some, I dig 1 here, and then now put the block of your choice like this, then put the repeater under here and here, put the piston there, and dig 1 block here, put a redstone here, and do this at the block of your choice. Put a redstone here, and put a repeater under the top of your block of your choice. Then put some piston and put the glass pane over here. Oh, I think I had the wrong decision. Guys, don't use the glass pane. Just use a ordinary glass. Now, make sure that this is connected to the other side, so it would gonna make.
Ed. Uy.
Wala naman. Kasi may salita ka. Bawal magsalita.
Now, let's try it if this works. See? It actually worked. Make sure guys, leave a fat thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe, like this video. Bye!